It is possible for anyone to be caught off guard by a short-term financial emergency, which leads to the requirement of having immediate access to cash. The name Moneyboat, which is a well-known online lender in Nigeria, comes to mind whenever circumstances like these occur. In the event that you currently have a Moneyboat loan and require additional funds, what are your options? Is it possible to effortlessly top up your present debt by taking out more borrowing? Unfortunately, the answer is not affirmative. Top-up loans are not currently available through Moneyboat, as is the case with many other lenders who provide comparable short-term loans. When you still have a balance on your previous loan, you are not permitted to borrow further funds. This means that you cannot borrow extra funds. This regulation is in force for a number of reasons, including the following. Affordability concerns. Taking on multiple loans simultaneously can quickly become overwhelming, increasing the risk of falling into debt traps. Lenders like Moneyboat prioritize responsible lending and ensuring borrowers can manage their repayments, and allowing top-ups could jeopardize this. Risk management. Having multiple concurrent loans with the same lender increases the financial exposure for both the borrower and the lender. Moneyboat, as a responsible financial institution, needs to maintain its own risk management practices. Regulatory compliance. In some jurisdictions, regulations may restrict lenders from offering multiple loans to the same borrower within a specific timeframe. Moneyboat needs to adhere to these regulations to maintain compliance. So, if you find yourself needing additional funds while you already have a Moneyboat loan, what are your options? Here are some alternatives to consider. 1. Negotiate a payment plan with Moneyboat. If your immediate need for additional funds is temporary, you can contact Moneyboat and discuss adjusting your current loan repayment plan. This could involve extending the repayment period or decreasing the monthly payments, freeing up some cash flow in the short term. 2. Seek personal or family loans. Reach out to trusted friends or family members to see if they can provide a small loan to bridge the gap. Ensure both parties are clear about the loan terms and repayment expectations. 3. Explore alternative online lenders. Several online lenders in Nigeria offer similar short-term loans. Explore their options and compare interest rates and terms before applying. However, be cautious of predatory lenders with excessively high interest rates and hidden fees. 4. Consider pawning valuables. If you have any valuable items, you can consider pawning them for a short-term loan. Ensure you understand the pawnbroker's terms and redemption costs before proceeding. 5. Seek financial assistance from charities or NGOs. Depending on your specific situation, some charities or non-governmental organizations may offer financial assistance or emergency loans. Before considering any additional borrowing, it's crucial to evaluate your financial situation. Analyze your income, expenses, and existing debts to understand your current financial standing and borrowing capacity. Borrow only what you need. Avoid unnecessary borrowing and only take on an amount you are confident you can comfortably repay. Compare loan options. Research and compare interest rates, fees, and terms of different lenders before making a decision. Understand the risks. Borrowing any money comes with risks and potential consequences. Ensure you understand the full implications before committing. It is essential to keep in mind that short-term loans, such as those provided by Moneyboat, are intended to be used for unexpected situations and should not be utilized as a solution to long-term financial problems. In the event that you are experiencing persistent financial troubles, it may be more sustainable for you to seek the guidance of a competent financial advisor or to seek debt counseling. At the end of the day, it is up to you to decide whether or not to borrow further cash, as well as from whom you will borrow them. You will be able to make an educated selection that is in line with your particular financial circumstances if you carefully evaluate your options and have a thorough understanding of the expenses and dangers that are involved with each of them.